baby's going to college. But my rival college. We had a deal, Ashley.
Sorry.
You were supposed to go to USC. It's fine. Today we're going to be doing point shoe fittings for going to college. And when dancers go to college, I generally put them in shoes that last a little bit longer because y'all gonna be poor for a long time. We're gonna try on Gainer Mindens. Those are traditionally some of the longest lasting point shoes. Ashley's already been in Gainer Mindens, but we wanted to see and check that everything's hunky-dory because I haven't seen Ashley in a long time.
I know.
If you guys roll back to our old YouTube channels, Ashley was on our channel when you were what?
12 or 13.
12? Yeah, 12 or 13, and now she's almost 18 in college. My vision was that you would get into USC and then we would have all this USC swag together, but this is how it's gonna be, so that's okay. I still love you. I'm still your dance mom. So. I fitted you since your second pair of point shoes, right?
Yeah, since the beginning.
Very beginning. We're gonna try on some point shoes. I haven't seen your feet in so long.
I know, I painted them for you.
I love you. Your feet actually look better.
Really?
Yeah.
That's good.
Remember when you had like
my big bunion?
Yeah, your bunion went down. So let's try on your current point shoes right now.
Okay.
Gainer Minden went through a couple of changes during the pandemic. Like Gainer Minden has done over the past 30 years or so, they've bounced back incredibly. Even the first production of the European shoes are vastly different than the ones that are getting now. So if you tried on the Gainer Minden when it first switched over to the new factory, I highly encourage to try them again because they are different. This might be one of the first variations of it. So we'll take a look at that, and then I pulled out another shoe for her to try so we can kind of see like the difference. A lot of people were saying that the European production pulled them back. And I think that's why you switched your toe pads too, right? Mm-hmm. The material that they use is a little bit stiffer, so it pulled a lot of people back. And also the way that they made their shoes, they made it really tight around their foot right here. So whenever it's too tight around your foot, there's less room for your foot to move and push over onto the top of your point shoes. Originally, it was a little bit harder for her. She switched her toe pad and now she's able to get over, so that's another trick too. Go into parallel. And actually, I really like this shoe. It looks pretty great on her, even though this is like the first variation of it. There's like very little twisting, and these lasted a really long time. This could probably get you through what, like a year in college, if not more. And you were going through how many pairs of point shoes?
One a week or one for 2 weeks.
So she was going through a pair of point shoes every week before this. So this is a really good way to save some money if you're going off to college. And if you have a shoe that you really, really love that's not a longer lasting shoe like this, a synthetic shoe, then you can have that. But have a supplemental shoe that also lasts a long time too. I'm just trying to save you guys money because I went to college too, and I'm 33 and I'm still paying off student loans, so I got you guys. So this is the latest, and then I am going a little bit softer in this one. So I don't think you've ever been in this shank strength. You've always been in green. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so there's yellow, which is a little bit softer, and then pink is even softer than that. And I've been switching people into either one softer or two softer, depending on how they're able to move their feet. That looks better too. Mm-hmm. Okay, straighten, bring your left foot up on point, step up onto both feet. This is supposed to be softer, but you can see that it's still supportive, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks really pretty. So you're so strong that between the harder shank and the softer shank, it looks almost the same to me. I think you can go either way, it just depends on how you feel in it. Can you tell the difference between the softer shank and the harder one?
I feel like it's just like breaking a little lower, and then the harder shank's breaking higher.
Yeah, in any point shoe, if you feel like your shoe's breaking too low, if you go to a harder shoe, it'll break a little bit higher than that. When the shoes used to dye, the satin would break, and then you can see the different color of the skeleton of the shoe, but with the suede tip, it's good. Also, I think a lot of studios don't allow rosin anymore, so this is like a really nice way to have some more grip on the floor.
Yes.
Can I see the other shoe?
Yes. I know, I'm surprised they haven't broken because it's been like 6 months.
These definitely last a lot longer. But you see how it was like slightly more round
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's easier to get over these. I already feel that.
Yeah, totally. What are you majoring in?
Business and communication. I really wanted to do business. Like, that was like, I really love it.
Yeah, I think you'll be so good at this.
I hope.
Yeah, I think it'll be so fun. Oh my gosh, I hope that you have an amazing college experience. I'm sure you will. It goes by so fast. It goes by so fast. And like even after you graduate, I feel like it goes by even faster and faster. So you have to like hold on to every little moment. Oh my gosh, my baby's going to college. I can't believe it. It's fine. I'm not crying.
Hi everybody, this is the Pointe Shops YouTube, and I'm filling in for Josephine Lee today. Here's Josephine.
This is my shoe that doesn't fit. What are some questions you want to ask Josephine?
What inspires you to fit people in Pointe shoes?
All of my bad fittings when I was growing up. Because I never had toenails when I was dancing. Because I didn't get Pointe shoes.
Aww.